What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to go over our friend Gala Games, currently sitting at 0.041, up 2.4 on the day, sitting at a market cap of 290 million. 24-hour volume 123 million. Let's hop into Gala. We're going to start here on the 1 hour time frame. So beautiful bounce from our wave 2 pullback zone. This is what we called for. A pullback in between about 0.0392 and 0.040. We came right down to 0.786 and we bounced. So you can see how accurate Elliott wave can be. We called this pullback and now we've called this one and we've seen a bounce. So far we have a nice 3-wave move up. We may be already starting to bounce up in the wave 5. If we do bounce from here, I will give you a quick target. The wave 5 would be the 618 at 0.043. Of course, it can overextend. The larger wave 3 target here in green is up here at 0.044. What I want to see for Gala is a break of these highs at about 0.042. If we can break these local highs, that's stronger confirmation you are going to see that continuation to the upside. Because if we zoom out and we look at our larger wave counts here, what we're looking for, I'll have to pull all this over in the next video. So we'll look at our wave count, which is here in white, which started at 0.0287. Down here is where we entered into our long position. So that wave 3 target will take you all the way up to about 0.074. And basically within that wave count are smaller wave counts. So as you can see, the red one, 1, 2, looking to push up into 3. And within that wave 3, I should change the color because obviously this is just be confusing. So we'll change it to kind of this pale white color. Yeah, so basically what we're looking at is looking to complete the 5-wave move of this wave 3 here in red. Obviously we've traded sideways for quite some time. So our smaller wave count is here in green. So we push up in a wave 1 pullback into our wave 2 pullback zone that we've been covering. Looking to push up into 3 in the subwave count is 1, 2, 3. Looking for that wave 4 pullback and pushing up in a wave 5. So the max retracement for this wave 4, it does look like we could bounce from here, but the max retracement would be the 0.5, which is currently coming in at about 0.041. If we were to break below that, then it can no longer be a wave 4. But I do think there is a good chance we see a bounce from this level and push up in that wave 5. Zooming out on the daily time frame, as you can see, I told you guys that the EMAs were continuing to tighten and we should see a break soon. And as you can see, we started to break out of this bull flag and we're getting back above the EMAs. So going into tomorrow, if we hold this level, we're going to print the bullish cross. And if we start to bounce, that's when we could see that large continuation. We've been in our Gala Games trade since down here about 0.0, I think it was 0.0327. We sniped that entry, so I'm waiting to take profit up here. And I do think there's a good chance we start to push up to those levels, especially if we can hold the bullish cross on the daily time frame. Everything's looking really good for Gala. Our largest wave count, 1, 2. And now we're looking to push up into 3, and basically what you're looking at is 1, 2, and then you're looking to see continuation, in my opinion. I have another chart here where you can see it a little bit better. Here it is. So you push up in a 1, pull back in a 2, looking to push up in that wave 3 with a target of 26 cents. Pretty exciting times for Gala Games. So that's it for this one. Make sure to sign up to either Bybit or Bitkit. Check out the full length tutorials. You get completely free access to my Discord. All you have to do is email me your sign up email. Over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. If you make your first deposit to either Bitkit or Bybit, I do the majority of my trading here on Bitkit, you will get a 30-day free trial to my signals analysis, which can be very helpful on your trading journey. Crypto news, members like to post their profits in here. Mahalo alt plays. If you want direct access, it's $10 a month. Sign up to the Patreon. However, if you make your first deposit on one of the exchanges, send me an email confirmation. I'll give you a 30-day free trial. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.